Well, good morning and happy Wednesday. I am 40 minutes late this morning. Oh my goodness. Have you ever had a morning that just did not go your way? Well, it started off not going my husband's way. He left his keys to his office and I had to go give them to him. And then I took the wrong turn, ended up by the airport. Long story short, I am finally here and we have a card challenge today and I am excited about it. So I was looking at some card ideas on Pinterest last night and I saw some really cute black and white with just a splash of red, and I thought, oh, that's a great idea. So that's what we're doing today. I'm also going to show you a technique called inking your embossing folder. Now, this technique has been around forever, and if you Google it or just look on Pinterest for how to ink your embossing folder, you'll find tons of tutorials, but that's what we're doing today. Hey, good morning, Donna. It's very nice to have you here. And so that is what we are doing. And since I got such a late start, we're just going to jump right in. I do want to remind you of my card class that is coming up, or right now. Friday is the last day to sign up for it. Let me show those cards to you just super fast. Here they are. It's the snail mail. You snailed it card class. Go over to my blog on events and classes, the click down menu, and you'll see the link, and just click on that and it'll tell you everything you need to know. And so with that, let's go on and get started. So my red, white, and black card is going to feature two stamp sets. First, this Quite Curvy, which is just an adorable card, and it really is great when you use it with the curvy dies. And so I have got that already done for us here. Come here. So here are the little birds, and of course I colored them red for our color theme. And you know what? I need to, whoops, are you? There we go. Come on. There we go. Whoa, not that much. Just a little bit. There we go. Perfect. The little red card. And then here are the curvy pieces that I cut out with the curvy die. All right, so I'm just going to push those over to the side for a sec. I have my card base, and it's just 4 1/4 by 11. It opens up like this. It is a portrait card. Then I cut two mats. I cut a black mat at 4 by 5 1/4, and then a red mat at, well, I cut it down just 1/8 of an inch more. So it's at, let me think how to, what are the measures? I didn't write anything down this morning. I was rushed. But, okay, so this is across here. If that's 4, then this is 3 and 6 5/8. Yeah, 3 and 5/8. Yeah, and then this one is 5 and an 1/8, I think. Okay, I'm gonna have to, well, why don't I just measure it right here? Good grief, why am I trying to struggle? Okay, the red one is, yes, 3 and 7/8. Okay, 3 and 7/8 by 5 and an 1/8. All right, there we go. Those are the actual measurements. So got those 3 layers. Now, the fun part today, and where did I put it? Here it is. So I'm taking this embossing folder today, this Woodlands. Isn't that pretty? And what I'm going to do, so the side that has the Stampin' Up mark, that's the side you want to put ink on, okay? And this flat part will get the ink, and this indented part will stay clear. And so when you stamp it, the trees will be white and the background will be black. And it's really fun when you do it in different colors, like, and you can also stamp images like a deer back behind the tree. It's just a lot of fun. But we're just doing a simple black. Oh, I told you 2 stamp sets. We're also going to feature this free stamp set, Heal Your Heart. This is in our Sale-A-Bration, and I'm using Sorry for Your Loss right there. All right, I'll do that in just a minute. Let's get this embossing folder going. Okay. Oh my goodness, look at all these people who finally have found me this morning. Oh my gosh, I've been here so late this morning, and yet you all still showed up, and you are all so awesome. I love you all. Y'all are the greatest. Awesome. Okay, here we go. So we're just going to put some black ink on here. You kind of have to press down a little bit. It's... All right, can y'all see what I'm doing there? Isn't that cool looking? That is a cool effect. Now, what's even cooler, though, is this. Now, you want to make sure, once you put this down, don't move it, okay? Once you put it down, don't move it. Okay, and then, now put it in the sandwich, and the sandwich is just your traditional, you just take the regular plate, okay, the regular big shot platform plate, then you just put the one clear cutting plate on there. You put your embossing folder down. Remember, don't let that paper move. And then you put your top plate on top and make that sandwich nice and even, all smoothed out. And we stick it through the Big Shot. And here comes the magic. If you've never done this technique, this is so fun. All right, here we go. Isn't that the neatest? It is so pretty. Now, the ink is still a little wet, so I'm going to let it dry there for a minute. And, of course, then you'll just want to rinse this off, and I'll do that later. Okay, and we're going to take the Big Shot out of the way. Okay. Oh, my gosh, that turned out so pretty. I just love that. Let's get some tape. Where's my tape runner? I just had it. Come on. Oh, fiddle-dee-dee. There it is, right in front of me. Isn't it always just right in front of you? Now, if you all have the new Stampin' Seal, go straight across like that, then tilt it back and flick it out, okay? And I'm going to put one down the middle, just like that. Okay. And now I am matting this on the red, okay? And I'm turning it over to do this. That way I don't smear it, just in case the ink's not dry yet. There we go. And now I'm going to put this on the black. So let me get some on here. All right, I want to talk to you about the card challenge. So those of you who are new this morning, every Wednesday I do a card challenge and I give out a prize. This week I'm going to give out some paper. So some older Stampin' Up! Designer paper. I'm going to send it out as a prize. And the way that you enter is by creating a card using the challenge what am I trying to say? The challenge parameters. Well, anyways, whatever we're using for the challenge. And in today's case, it's a color challenge for red, white, and black. Okay, red, white, and black is our color challenge. Once you've created your card, then you just take a picture of it, and you'll find a post on my Facebook page, and it'll have, the title will be Color Challenge and today's date. Then you just post a picture there in those comments, okay? And I always pin the challenge, this week's challenge, to the top of my page. So it's real easy to find. And we have a lot of fun. We've been doing this for quite a few months, and I've been giving out a lot of great prizes. Okay, now I meant to trim this down so it was just the size of the white there. I'm going to mark it with my fingernail so I know where it is. I'm wearing my snips. Okay, so I'm going to put that there. And then this one, I think I'm going to move that over. Yeah, that'll work. Boy, I totally improvised on that one, didn't I? Alrighty, there we go. Now this one I'm going to do flat, but this one I'm going to pop up on dimensionals. Oh, and this one I need to stamp the sentiment on. Oh my gosh, that would have been terrible if I'd forgotten the sentiment. Okay. Yeah, let's get that sentiment stamped on there. All right, I have sorry for your loss. So where's my black ink? Perfect. And then some dimensionals. And put one in the middle. Just give a little bit more support. That's actually thought of the word this time. She has an awful time with adhesive. Like I said, Linda, you just go straight across, then before you like take it off, you want to lift it all the way up, then take it off. But it just takes practice, that's all. Just keep doing it, you'll get it. You'll find your way of doing it. And oh, no. Well, I guess that'll just have to do. Okay. I didn't quite get the white all the way down there, but that's all right. I think you guys got the idea. You can see it. Okay, almost done. We need some birds. Let's put some cute birdies in the... All right, where are my baby dimensionals? Yeah, you definitely need mini dimensionals for these birds. If I can find me some mini dimensionals. They're all big. Come on, minis. Where are you? Oh, come here. There we go. There's some minis. And of course, if you don't have minis, you just cut the bigger ones down to size. But since I have minis, I knew I did. There we go. And let me grab some tweezers. Let's see, what else is going on? Oh, for those of you who live here in Texas, they told us we might have some ice today, but we did not. But for sure, in the next couple of days, I think we're going to get some ice. And those of you who don't live down here in Texas, you live up north, and you all have all that beautiful snow. Yeah, Texas doesn't usually get snow. We usually get ice storms, and that is why we end up shutting everything down, because nobody can drive on ice. But yes, so that is what they're predicting. And the storm, I understand, goes from Texas all the way to the East Coast. So those of you over in the Carolinas, you all are getting some of the snow. Oh, isn't that cute? Oh my gosh, I love these birds. Aren't they precious? One more. I'm going to put him in the snow. Okay. Right there, right there. Oh my goodness. Here? Oh, down here. Yeah, he definitely needs to be in the snow, but I can't decide if he should be next to the word loss. Yeah, he should be. Okay. Ta-da! Okay, we are done. It's a simple card, but it's got a lot of wow factor to it. And the number one thing that really gives it the wow is inking that embossing folder. And then we outlined it in red, and that red brings our eye to the birds. Okay, and then I put the birds like in a triangle, and it brings us down to the sentiment. Okay, and that's a little bit of art lesson for you for the day. But gosh, that was fast. All right, well, let's see all my comments here this morning. Yes, red, white and black and red, it pops, doesn't it? It's just so pretty. Sunny Florida, but my friends up in Virginia are going to get snow. Yep. Yes, those little birds. They're so cute. I love them. Oh, no, you're iced in the valley. Oh, Debbie. Oh, my gosh, I bet you are. See, you all, Debbie Parker, she lives north of me, up near the Oklahoma border. And it seems like, and I live down in the Dallas area, and that's like the dividing line. It seems like Dallas will just miss the ice and snowstorms, but Oklahoma always gets the ice and snowstorms, no matter what. So, I'm sorry to hear that, Debbie. Put a fire in the fireplace and stay home and make cards. Oh, Mima, I'm glad you're here this morning, too. Yes, I got a very late start. For those of you who didn't hear in the beginning, my husband left his keys to the office and I had to go give them to him. So I was late this morning, but I'm here. Our card is done. You all go make a red, white, and black card and post it on our card challenge. Oh, card challenge, duh, let's spin. Hold on, let me switch over so you can see. Okay, here we go. And Pat! All right, Pat. Now, I know you've won before, but that's okay. I'm going to be sending you some designer paper. I'm going to send you a pack of some 6x6 designer paper for you. So be looking for that in the mail. You all have a blessed day. Have a wonderful time. And Friday, I'll be back here for Fun Fold. I love you all. Y'all are the best. Bye-bye.